Hey guys, Terry here. Hey, over a year ago, it's got to be at least a year, I purchased this embroidery kit from Missouri Star Quilt Company. And I wish that they had done it more along the lines of a quilt along, so it would have made me get it out and do it. But I really like the product, the idea behind it. I just haven't started working on it. I mean, this was going to be my next thing after I did the Queen of Diamonds quilt. And I wanted to have something to work on in the evenings. So I just have not gotten to it. And you know me, I have all kinds of projects going on. So I do plan to get back to this. It is a wonderful embroidery set because it has all of the little designs that you're going to make. So you stick this to your fabric and it has all of the different designs, and then it tells you, what it's going to look like, and it suggests colors, and then it has all of the different steps that you're going to do on it. And the thread that they put together, the embroidery thread, is, I think it's cotton, and I think it's just 2-ply, so you don't have to pull it apart like regular embroidery threads where you have to pull it apart and make, just pull out 2 threads to stitch with. And it's got a great rainbow of colors. So I had bought this, but I think the holdup, it even came with notions like the scissors, needle keeper, needle minder, a threader, some scissors. Isn't it cute? So it's a beautiful, beautiful set. So I had bought this much of it and hadn't gotten anywhere with it. So their design is such that you would stitch it onto denim fabric. And I thought by now I would have found 10-inch squares of denim fabric, and I just hadn't. Or I was going to make it on a different type of fabric. It didn't have to be denim. But I thought the other day, here I go thinking again, I thought, well, what would really make me do it was if I ordered the denim fabric from Missouri Star Quilt Company. So that's just what came in the mail a couple days ago here. And let's open it and see what it looks like here. I don't know why the box is so big. So I forget how big the quilt is. I don't think it's that big. Let's see. I'll put a link to the Missouri Star Quilt Company website too, if you're interested. If you're so interested. Oh my gosh, it's just a giant box. The fabric is down here at the bottom, so how cute is that? What are these? Fat chuck. It's bigger, it's better, it's block. New size, exclusive patterns. Looks like it's a little advertisement. The ducks are so cute. Yeah, so I guess they just have a giant box to mail it in. Here's more like the size I was expecting. Ingrid's Framed Squares Denim Quilt Kit for your embroidery kit. Okay, so they did say that they were including another quilt pattern. I think it's the exact same thing, only one is showing, with the embroidery on it. So that's good to know. If you weren't going to use it for embroidering, you could just learn how to put the quilt together. And it looks like it has the squares. So this will be good. This will jumpstart my wanting to get to learning how to do the hand embroidery. So it looks like maybe this is the, I forget what all it comes with. We've got some darks, big pieces. We've got light, because I do think it's light for the sashing. And then it's got the squares. So this is what I needed, was the squares to start doing the embroidering. And then it'll be nice, because this will be a contrasting color for the sashings. And then this must be for the background, maybe? Must be for the backing. So this will be great. I can use that and start making my little guys. It's got the hoop, and these I think are sticky on the back. Let's try one. Okay, here they are. Yeah, they've got just a little sticky backing. There we go. So see how thin that is? Look how thin that is. Very pretty. So it's a little bit sticky, and that will get stuck on these denim squares here. I can tell that denim is going to have these fuzzies everywhere. So I think I just need this and this. And I love the case, you know. I can have my notions and my patterns and my hoop and my 10-inch pack there, and I'm ready to take that with me somewhere and work on my sewing. So I think it's going to be fun. The patterns look complicated, but then they do a very good job of describing how to put the needle down in through the fabric and come back up through. So it's a lot of different designs, but it's got, you know, a few new stitches on each one. And I love that it shows you kind of some color. I mean, I'm sure you could make it whatever color you wanted, but not knowing where to start, it's just kind of nice to have those suggestions. So, and they've got all kinds of YouTube videos too on how to make the stitches. So I think it's going to be really fun. So right now it still feels daunting, but I'm trying to talk myself into just take it one block at a time and learn how to do those basic stitches. So I want it to be fun. I want it to be something that I can do, you know, in front of the television, or take on retreats with me. So wish me luck. Hey, let me know in the comments if this is something that you're also working on, or if you're a embroiderer, you know, if you're someone who does hand embroidery, let me know, you know, what you like about it, or some tips down in the comments. So let me know I'm not alone. So yeah, so this was my inspiration. I bought the fabric, and I hope to get on a roll with it. So it's something that it's, you know, no race, but I do want to have something that I enjoyed doing in the evenings, like I did the English paper piecing with the Queen of Diamonds. So I hope you do something fun in your craft room this week, even if it's just pulling out some fabric or paper and sorting through something and reminding yourself what you have so that you can work on a project. And yeah, I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.